Zimbabweans, wake up. The 2030 nonsense agenda is just munhu wese kuna mai. Rebranded. The political theater unfolding before our eyes is not innovation, it's repetition. The cars, the cash, the staged loyalty, it's all deja vu. President Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda, dressed up as a national vision, is nothing more than a recycled campaign of patronage. We have seen this movie before. It was called Munhu Wese Kuna Mai. It starred Dr. Grace, Dr. Stop It, and it ended in flames. Sabina mashoko ari panguva ino achitaura pana chipomsaruro siziva achikomenda pamusoro pe2030 plan. Don't go subscribe or like or on the bell icon. And today, Zvigananda, those foot soldiers of convenience are being used to distribute legacy in the form of vehicles and money, not for development but for allegiance. This is not empowerment, it's bravery. It's a desperate attempt to manufacture consent in a country that is already moved on. The support base is already shifted. Let's be honest, the people are tired. Even those who benefit from the system, those who drive the cars and pocket the brown khaki envelopes, are exhausted. They whisper in corridors, they vent in hushed tongues. They know the route, they see the corruption, but they are afraid of victimization, afraid of being cast out, afraid of the very system that claims to uplift them. But fear is not a strategy, silence is not safety, and loyalty built on fear is not loyalty, it's captivity. One thing Team Lacoste must understand: power in Zimbabwe is not secured through secret handshakes or midnight deals in hotel suites or private lounges. It is negotiated at the barracks. It is shaped by the mood of the uniformed men and women who know the cost of chaos and the weight of betrayal. You can dish out all the cars you want, but if the barracks are restless, your throne is made of sand. Zimbabweans are not blind. We know when a vision is a face. We know when a slogan is a smokescreen. The 2030 agenda is not a roadmap, it's a rerun. And history has already judged its predecessor. If Mnangagwa and his allies continue down this path, they will not be remembered as architects of progress, but as curators of collapse. To those who are tired but afraid, you are not alone. The tide is turning. The whispers are growing louder, and the day will come when fear will no longer be stronger than truth. Stand firm. Speak out. The future belongs to those who refuse to be silenced. Domashoko advice yukia panapa ichipiwa vanhu vari kusapota Zvigananda muchiudza kunzi aiwa panguva ino muchipiwa mota nezvamuri kupiwa hazvimbokuprotectiyei. One day matables achatena. Hatiudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitwechi. Nakomese kuchemedza mafunguro enyu. Musana subscribe or like, chat on the bell.